Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the door mirror on this VW Golf. This particular model is 2007. Okay, it's the driver side right hand door mirror which we're going to replace. We've got the second hand door mirror from eBay for £25. Okay, so just going to crack on with it. Right, in order to change the door mirror we'll have to remove the door casing. Okay, so the first procedure is to remove the buttons here. Okay, so these are the window buttons. Okay, and there are a couple of screws, one here on the front of the door and two at the bottom. Screwdriver to lift the button panel like this on the side. Okay, and then just gonna loosen it a bit from its side from here. Okay, and the main clips are just under here. There we go. So we're gonna remove the connectors. One here. Okay, this one is for the door mirror adjustment connector. Okay, there we go. Right, there are two bolts here, TX30 bolts, which we're gonna remove. Okay, just careful with these, they can drop off inside the door casing. There we go, that's out of the way. Right, we're gonna use a T20 bit to undo this screw here at the front of the door casing. Okay, there's only one on this side. Okay, so there's one on each side, one here. Got it? Now that we have taken all the bolts out, so we're gonna pull the door casing out. There we go, friends. That's the door casing detached. So now we're gonna remove the door handle cable. So we're just gonna pull this clip like this, and that's how we remove the door handle cable. Okay. Right, so the next bit is to remove this harness, and in order for you to pull it, so what you do is press this clip here down like this, and there we go. Right, that's how you pull the door casing harness out. Trim here, okay, so that we can access to the three bolts which are securing the door mirror. Okay, so again it's TX20. There we go. There we go. It's just there we go, just like that. One more clip. There we go, friends. That's how the trim comes off. So what we'll do with this is we're not going to do anything to it. Just going to rest it like this. Okay. So the next bit is to trace this door mirror harness here. So what we'll do is we will pull the safety clip, and then we're gonna press the button on the side, and that's how you disconnect the door mirror harness out. There we go. So what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna pull out this clip just like that. Okay, see that? Okay. So now we are ready to undo the bolts. There are 3 bolts, 1, 2, and there's one on this side. Okay, this one here. On this side we're gonna remove this grommet. There we go. That's the bolt exposed now. Okay. We're gonna be using TX30 to undo these 3 bolts. Okay. So that's one of the bolt out. Second one just here. So the third one is just here. Okay, this is the third and the last bolt. So before I remove it, I'm gonna hold on to the mirror so that it doesn't drop. Okay, so we're gonna use a magnet to pull out this bolt. That's all 3 bolts out of the way. Okay, fine. So now we're just gonna pull the mirror out. There we go, friends. That's the broken mirror out of the way. Right, friends, so we're just gonna fit the new mirror now. Okay, so we're gonna run the harness through from this gap here, like that. There we go, all the way. Just like that. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna twist the mirror like this. Okay, there it is, like that. And then there we go, that's how it sits in. So from this side we're gonna force the grommet in here, one, okay, and then it goes in, comes down like this, and then it clips in here, like that, and then the safety clip, okay. So the next bit is to secure these bolts, 3 of them. That's the one. This is the other one. Just have to be very careful not to drop it inside the door casing, because you won't be able to find it if you drop it. There we go. That's the second one. Just gonna go over again with the torque. There we go, friends. That's nice and tight. That's the dust cap back in place. Right, so the next bit is to secure this trim. There you go. We're gonna use TX20 to secure this trim from here. Right. When I was pulling the door casing, the grommets got stuck in the door, so we're just gonna pull that out with a flathead screwdriver. So what you do is just pull it out like that. There we go. Okay, we're just gonna slide it here like that. Okay, so all the clips are secured now. So the next bit is to connect the door casing harness just like that. It's just gonna slide in like this. Okay, so we're just gonna push it in. There we go, that's nicely clipped in. Hear the click. Right, so the way we're gonna secure the door handle cable is like this. Just gonna hook it in from the top going down, and then we're gonna pull the cable like this, and then going to clip it in, push it in. There we go. So that's that nicely secured. Okay, see, it's functioning nicely. Okay, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna slide the casing in all the way like that. Like this. Okay, see the way door casing is sitting in, okay, inside the window frame seat. Okay, and now we're just gonna bang it in like that. That's 1, 2, that's 3, and 2 on this side. Okay, so there's 1 here, that's 1, and then there's different. That's on nicely secured all the way around. Okay, so the next bit is to secure 2 T30 bolts there. Just careful when you drive it in so that you don't drop it. So that's how you drive them in. There we go, that's nice and tight. The second one goes here. There we go. That's 2 bolts secured by the door handle casing. Once 2 goes here. There we go. And the 2 at the bottom. There we go, friends. Okay, that's one, and the other one on this side. There we go, that's that done. Right. Okay, friends, so the last bit is to secure the window button control panel. Okay, so it goes in like this. That's one connector. The other connector slides in from here, like this. Like this, okay. And so this is just gonna push it in like that from this side and from this side. There we go, friends. Simple forward procedure to change the door mirror on this VW Golf 2007 model.